More news coming in from Punjab. The man lynched for an alleged sacrilege attempt at a gurdwara in Kapurthala had 30 injuries, mostly sharp cuts, likely to have been inflicted by swords on his body. This is what the post-mortem report has revealed. In the lynching that was reported in Kapurthala, details of exactly how this man was killed has emerged. He had 30 injuries, sharp cuts, and at this point it looks like this could have been inflicted by swords on his body. There's been a lot of outrage over the lynching across the country, but in Punjab, the focus largely has been on the sacrilege bits, with no outrage whatsoever over the fact that a man was lynched in Kapurthala for a sacrilege bid. The autopsy report has confirmed how exactly he was killed, with sword cuts, reportedly about 30 cuts on his body. Lalit Sharma is joining us live with more details on this. Lalit, this is shocking, the information that is emerging really from the post-mortem report. Just take us through what really has been established. Is there a fair investigation that's going on in the lynching? Because right now it looks like in Punjab the focus is only on the sacrilege bid.
If we just talk about the whole incident which happened on 19th December. Now, yesterday, the autopsy, the post-mortem report has come out, and in the autopsy report, what it has come, it is very shocking that the person who has been killed, in which 25 to 30 sharp wounds have been found all over the body, and it has also been found in the investigation in the post-mortem report that majority of the cuts were very deep, and the cuts were in the neck side, due to which the veins were cut, and due to which only the person was killed. Other than that, if we talk about what we are also getting, that when we had a word with the CMO who was just investigating the person, we got to know that it could be a probable murder also. And we also had a word with the SSP. He also said that after the autopsy report has come out, now a proper FIR would be filed against the person. But right now what we are also getting to learn that 25 to 30 sharp wounds were found all over the body, and before that it was alleged that the person who was killed was trying to just sacrilege the holy things in the Gurdwara. But now later on it was found that it was a clear case of lynching. So now a probe and a FIR would be filed very soon, what we are learning right now. Yes.
All right, Lalit, thank you for joining us with those details. Truly shocking details have emerged there from the post-mortem report. The autopsy confirming there that the man who was lynched had 30 injuries.